Monsieur le Président, passer le pouvoir à un anglophone. Si on était bien au pays, est-ce qu'on allait prendre la route de l'aventure? Ah, Monsieur le Président.
Hello, Bayam Salam, my country people them. People where remain no day, repeat no day. Today na me, Maître Mola Alex Ndive Lisinga, I don't can talk. And I don't come from a small political break for can talk because this information be very, very important. Today I want to talk about medical evacuation. We top big people them for Cameroon. People them where they don't there for power. So one they don't be for position for 50 years. So one they don't be minister since 1970 where they not be don't born me. They still the top position today. I want to look at today for my country people them. People who remain on the buy and sell and choke head them. Because me, Maître Mola Alex Ndive Lisinga, the leader of British Cameroon National Party, I don't ever fight now for people that they choke heads. People that they don't get power for talk. When you vote some man for power, you put that man for power. Now you put that man for then I say, may construct hospital where go help all of we for Cameroon. Now that people that you get to use na taxpayer their money for be hospital. But each time the people they sick, they take plane, aeroplane, come for one man country, can't take treatment. What did they expect for una buy and sell them? People will remain all day. Oh, na the suffer my country people them. What did they expect? Say if una the sick more na do how? No government for the way no get money. British government no get money. American government no get money. All European, for Asian, South America, they no get money. The money where they use them, una they give them that money and say, may they govern una country. May they bring security for una. May they build good roads, hospital. Some years ago, whether not for Douala for hospital, money requires some woman. If you get belly, they operate the belly for down because you no get money. Hospital no day. But each day, the people the way they call themselves civil servant politician, they come abroad for treatment. And una they should not quiet. Whether they use now una money, now una money. When I can't talk, una say una the fear. If una fear, una no stop the people they say they no get to the camp for one man country for treatment. Either all them they go use that hospital for day or all una die. Because una go still die. That's the way they come abroad. It be very wrong. Because if government not be hospital, now we go bill am. They collect una tax money. Even some people the way Masabia, they don't put them for Kondenge. When did the sick so they can die? They told say they give waiting. Presidential ambulance. They want send it for abroad. Make can take treatment. Man, we don't take una money. Oh. Now, who's kind of country that would leave them, my brothers and sisters? People that talk say they love Cameroon, they be patriotic. If you love Cameroon, if you be patriotic, the people that way they thief money for Cameroon, you don't get to support them. And I talk clear blank. More than 99% of Mr. Biya, he top officer them, he minister them, he put them for prison. So Mr. Biya, he tell you, say, he appoint thief people them. Thief people them made they run the country. And when they don't want to clap for them. Everything is self-interest. Any man they look like own for chop. When I need to look that common cause, say how we fix country. I don't can talk today. Say make una need to stand. They clap for people the way they take una money, misuse them. I dey read Cameroon Constitution. I get copy. Nothing not talk say these people the way some of them they start work the minister for 1970. So one them handpick they put them senator for day for 2030 when no man no elect them. Una no give them no mandate. They misuse una money when una the contributor. Government no give money. Una wanna the pay that tax. Now una get to control the country. No be some few hand-pick people them. If una no ban that people then say when they be sick, they get to go to hospital for inside their own country for day. they don't get to be used taxpayer money. So when they don't be in a fund or an assault on them, they don't work so since 1970 to now. They don't get private money for go pay for their own sickness. And they see people them every day. They die for pay day because they don't get money for pay hospital. They don't get money for buy medicine. But when they support the people them, the time is now. The change is real. And when we get to talk for una people them, we get to stand up, we get to boogaloo, we get to change that country. We not go use now force. We go use now mop. We go use now pen. Pen get power pass gun. Thank you very much. This has been a party political broadcast by myself, Maitre Mola Alex Ndive Lisinge, the leader of British Cameroon National Party. Have a great day.
Un pauvre qui vote pour celui qui l'a rendu pauvre. Si on était bien au pays, est-ce qu'on allait prendre la route de l'étranger?